the vampire bat is that its wings are not really wings. Bats evolved separately from birds, and thus their wings are structured much differently than the wings of birds. In fact, a vampire bat's wing structure is more similar to the hand of a human than the wing of a bird. That's interesting. So basically, they're saying that bats did not evolve over time with birds. So like they structured their wings differently and they're more alike to human hands than a bird's wing, which is interesting. All right, let's move on to hooves. Please, again, follow along with your eyes in the text. Hooves are another body part that are an important adaptation for many large animals. In most cases, animals with hooves use their specially adapted feet to maneuver in a rocky environment. Hooves protect the feet of these animals and allow for greater mobility than unprotected feet. Animals at the Milwaukee Zoo with hooves include the greater kudu, zebras, and the Dall sheep. Excuse me. So another animal that comes quick to mind is a horse, right? Horses have hooves. They protect their feet. It helps them run quicker. So that's just another example. Let's move on to body coverings. An animal's body covering is one clearly visible adaptation, which means you can see it. Body coverings help to protect animals in diverse environments, from the land to water, from the Arctic to the desert. Mammals have hair or fur that help insulate their bodies. It keeps them warm in winter and can protect specific areas of the body, like eyelashes protecting the eyes. Some mammals have different coverings. The armadillo has plates, the porcupine has quills, and naked skin covers the dolphin. All of these help these mammals to survive in the different conditions in which they live. Birds also have a very protective covering, feathers. The feathers help keep the bird warm in the winter, help it fly or swim, and help fan the bird in hot weather. Amphibians and reptiles have body coverings that protect them as well. Amphibians have moist, slick skin that is well suited for the water. Reptiles have tough, dry skin covered by scales. Insects, such as cockroaches, have coverings that enable them to squeeze into very small places. This allows them to find food and shelter. Many insects build nests, a behavioral adaptation, or cocoons, which is a behavioral and a structural adaptation, for the winter because their body coverings alone do not allow or permit them to adjust to the cold. Many insects also have other adaptations included in their body coverings. Cells that sense light and pigments that allow some insects to change colors in order to hide themselves from predators. Striped fur is where you should be at now. Striped fur is one variation of a special adaptation called camouflage. Notice camouflage is bolded and highlighted. That probably means it's important. Striped fur, in most cases, helps animals blend into their environment. This helps the animal in one of several ways, including hiding from predators and sneaking up on prey. Striped fur, as in the case of a tiger's vertical stripes, serves the animal by helping it match the surrounding vegetation, thus making it nearly invisible to other animals. In other animals, like the skunk, the stripes serve as a warning to predators. In this way, the stripes serve as a defense mechanism. Brightly colored feathers. Found mostly in tropical rainforests, birds with brightly colored feathers are another example of an animal with an adaptive body covering. Brightly colored feathers can serve several purposes, including camouflage, defense, and mating. In some parts of